Hey guys, you might be wondering how repeatable the Surface Analyst is in a variety of orientations and conditions. So one of the things we thought we would set up is have you join us from one of our back warehouses with my sidekick and star of the show here, our really old air compressor. And what we've done is we've set up composite peel ply in a variety of orientations, and we're going to be taking multiple measurements in every orientation to give you guys a sense for repeatability and how well it performs in more of a real-world environment. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to get going with just a standard measurement from the top down, right? Typically how we would normally do this. So let me set this up. We'll begin experiment. We're going to take a couple measurements. All right, now let's try it vertically. So I'll peel a little bit of this off. We're going to do a couple measurements in the vertical position. Let's see what we get. All right. And now we're going to do it from right under the air compressor. Let's see what we get. All right. So as you can see, it's pretty darn easy to get measurements in a variety of orientations, and we get really good repeatability given a repeatable surface. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find us.